Hi everyone. One thing I don't like about winter is how oh dear, it froze. Okay, we're still going. Anyway, one thing I don't like about winter is it emphasizes even more the falls and wrinkles on your face. But hey, I love winter. It's my favorite time of year, and I'm doing some gardening. I freed my plants of all that debris right there, and there's some in the bin too. These plants here, they're a type of juniper that were planted in a way so they cascade over the lava rock bed. So they were trapped in so much debris and struggling so hard, especially during the heat waves last summer. And now I'm trying to be a better plant mom. That's my New Year's resolution. And no time like the present, right? I also am quitting smoking too. I started smoking like 4 months ago when I learned that my son was going to move back in. And I just, had so much to do that I freaked out because I did not want them to come to a home that, looked depressing, because then they're going to be depressed and then everybody's going to be sad and we're not going to have a happy life. So anyway, I ordered some paint. It's called Attitude Gray, and I started painting my bedroom with it. And it looked so good. I thought, this stuff really needs to go in the living room as an accent wall. So that's what I'm going to do. But I need to fill a stress crack, which is going to take scraping and some screws and some wall compound and, tape and wall compound. And after I get all of that done, then I'll paint it. And it's going to look good right there. I'll show you when I'm done. But so I got some paint and primer in one coming for Walmart. The first order was canceled because the store was out and they just didn't have any transferred over. So I went to another store in my valley, and we'll see if it arrives. So it's a white paint, unfortunately, and it's just going to be in the spare room. So it'll be white, and now I'm going to have a different color blind in there, and they're going to be darker than the room, so that'll be interesting. The blinds should be arriving in a few days, and I'll feel so much better once they're up, and because I want my granddaughter fully protected, and it's going to really make her room look awesome. So I'll show you when it's done. So that's what I've been up to. I'm just waiting for all my supplies so I can finish the painting that I want to do. I've got a lot. My plan was to do the whole upstairs. We'll see what happens. It's a matter of finances too. All this stuff isn't cheap. So I'm broke already, and I haven't even Christmas shopped. So I'm just going to buy for the grandkids and call it good. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. What is your New Year's resolution? I'd like to know. Can you put it in the comments? Bye.